It is such a difference. Cruising through these really calm, deep blue waters. Smooth, perfect weather. It's a little breezy. Versus other times when you're bouncing all over the time. I mean, look at the blue, deep blue. It's beautiful. So it's midday on the last day at sea. Tomorrow morning we get off this bad boy. Quite depressing. We hit the Lido this morning. I might have gambled a little bit, but we're gonna be hitting up the Pig and the Anchor. Pig and Anchor. Guy Fieri's amazing barbecue joint on the Carnival Magic. We'll be there next. See you. Well, here we are. We are in line for the Pig and Anchor. There's two lines. I think we got in the shorter of the two, but you never really know.
The one a little more aft is usually always shorter.
Yeah, by a few people anyway.
I think because people see the other one first, they don't have to stop.
Yeah, they don't realize there's just two lines. It's very hard to tell. So we jumped in back here, and now we're gonna get in that line and chow down. All right, we're closing in on the Pig and the Anchor. Guys, Pig and Anchor Barbecue Smokehouse. I'm super excited. How about you? Are you excited?
I am too. I can't wait to stop this. Yummy.
All right, here's a better look at the menu. Championship pork butt, blue ribbon chicken. I'm sorry, blue ribbon chicken. Smoked beef, smoked andouille sausage, mac daddy mac and cheese, scratch made coleslaw, old school potato salad, collard greens, molasses beans, and your sauces, of course.
That sounds good. Award-winning bourbon brown sugar. That
Kansas City, spicy sriracha barbecue, and Carolina number 6. Woo-hoo, that's a hot one. We're coming up close now. She's running the show right there. Look, she's important, very important girl. Look at that right there. Yummy, yummy. Oh my gosh, look at that. This guy's dishing out the slaw and the bread. He's got the meat. Oh yeah. Looking good, Kenny. Looking good, buddy. There's Kenny, cut it up. Boy, Sharon got the tater salad, the slaw, everything. Yes, please, yes, please, yes, please. And thank you. Oh yeah, look at that. You got the chicken, beans, collard greens, mac and cheese, beef. Oh my God. The pork, the sausage. All right, we made it. We made it. We made it. We made it. We're sitting in the Ocean Plaza area. I have a heavenly plate of food. Sharon got some too.
Yeah. See how
Looking
much
good.
I can eat.
Come on, you can eat it all. I'm going to devour this,
chicken,
and I'll check back with you later. So, Pig and Anchor time. Pig out, Pig and Anchor. Well, that's it. I tapped out. The Pig and Anchor beat me this time. But I'll get it next time. But I did pretty well, I'm not going to lie. But that sausage really was the straw that broke my back. The second sausage was just too much. I pushed it too hard. Meanwhile, Sharon's doing a great job over there.
This is so good.
Nice job, babe. So, there you have it. We'll check back with you. Oh boy, I think we just stumbled onto the men's hairy chest contest. Whoop, whoop. Pardon me.
Okay, sexy mom. Who's cruising with you, sexy mom? Because your girl just
party on the Carnival Magic. Got a few drinks rolling. Some sushi looks delicious. Sharon and Matthew are going to be up there filling out their questionnaires and doing their thing. And that dude jamming. Very nice.
Now how much bleach it takes? I go through 4 gallons of bleach a day just to wash their clothes. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna go down the line. We're gonna start over here. The entertainment director all the way from Romania, in charge of all entertainment. Give it up for Addy.
Well, we had a lovely platinum diamond party, but no winners on this table.
We're all losers.
We had a lot of losing. The casino ended up being a little loser. The platinum diamond party, nothing to win. Matthew didn't score anything this time. Bummer. Although I did win something. I won a bunch of beer. So that's pretty cool. Right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at this. And they're low carb, you know, it's for my figure. So that's important.
I miss you so bad. Your stay was following me. Jeans, skin was showing hot. Night the wind was blowing. Where do you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you. And this is crazy. But here's my number. So call me maybe. It's hard to look right at you, baby. But here's my number. So call me maybe. Hey, I just met you.
Awesome. Very nice.
This is great.
All right, it is a very last night of our cruise.
And we're having a little pre-room party, and Sharon is looking beautiful as ever, getting ready for her final meal. So let's talk a little bit about what she's wearing tonight, shall we?
All right. Well, I'm wearing another very just simple knit dresses. I love wearing things like this on the cruise because, like I think I've mentioned in the past, they just roll up really easily in the luggage, don't take up a lot of space. They're very lightweight, and they don't wrinkle.
Yeah. So who made that dress? Is that a Tommy Hilfiger or Versace or what?
No, I think I can't remember actually where I've got this. I've had this for probably well over a year. I think I might have gotten it at like TJ Maxx or something, but I've had it for a while. Anyways, it's just a simple knit dress. I'm wearing a little sweater over it because it's a little chilly tonight.
Chill in the air.
I'm very sunburned, and so it does make me a little more chilly. So, and I have my little necklace here. I'm just wearing with it, and some of my little Caravita bracelets.
Oh,
and
yeah.
my little navy.
Yeah, let's see that.
Here.
Turn around for us. Give us a whole. Oh yeah.
So there you go. Last night on the Carnival Magic.
Boy, we are really wrapping this thing up, aren't we, Matthew? It's the last night on the ship. And here we are at dinner. The usual suspects are here. Sharon, Phyllis, Cherry's here. And just so you want to make sure I'm here too. I'm in the house. There's JP. He's been taking good care of us all week. Good guy. Thanks, buddy. Thanks. Want to go? Here, go ahead and give him the second one. Perfect. Thanks, JP. We got a lovely view of the ocean right here.
Oh, don't eat yet. Don't eat yet. Toast.
Don't eat yet. Ding, 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 ding.
Yeah, baby.
Hold on, I'm on it. Okay, here's the toast. Ready? Cheers.
Over the lips and through the gums. Watch out, stomach, here it comes.
Perfect. Perfect, Terry. Perfect toast. Boom. Boom. Cheers. All right. The girls are drinking a little wine. Things are going to get crazy tonight. Look out. Look out. We're all going to casino late night. If Sharon will let me have some more money.
Down and win that $5,000.
No, I did not win anything. I have come home officially a loser from the casino. But I had a lot of fun trying. And I made a new buddy. We had a great time today gambling.
One.
Yeah, buddy, this has been our guy. He's been taking good care of us. Pocholo has been doing a great job for us all week long. You're going to be giving great reviews on our survey.
Thank you, thank you.
You've done well. You've done us
Okay,
right.
how about you, Sharon?
I will have the ripened tomatoes and chopped lettuce.
The final order. Here it is, folks. It's the final order. Let's get a listen.
The flatbread.
Oh, yeah. Flatbread.
And the cornmeal crusted chicken.
Ooh, cornmeal crusted chicken.
By the way, with the dressings, do you like with the salad? But blue cheese.
Blue cheese, yeah.
Got that one there.
Standing here in front of you, we hate to see you go and say goodbye. We have done our best, serve you this cruise. We have danced for you and made you smile. Our fun ship, we want to see you back again.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we want to see you back again. We love you and God bless. Thank you. God bless. Thank you.
Matthew's final melting cake. Terry trying the melting cake. Mom and Sharon with the Alaska. Right as usual.
Okay, all right. In the fun shops on the Carnival Magic, they have a lot of Quicksilver men's clothing, and Quicksilver and Roxy, or actually Roxy women's. Over here they have a few purses. It looks like they have a Guess collection of purses over here. I see. For example, this is like $118. A collection of Roxy flip-flops. Hats and purses. There's some t-shirts. They're having the 2 for $20 t-shirt sale today. Here's some 9 West purses and wallets. There's a lot of sunglasses. There's some Nike shirts. And here's a collection of little kid items here. And some Dr. Seuss. Candy. Selection of some lanyards over there. A lot of carnival cups. Some bling bling lanyards. Some carnival bears. The typical magnets and keychains. And here is the ship models, which are $32.95 now. There's also some hat and shirt combos. Here is what they have as far as little medications and little supplies, toiletries and such on the ship. And just for an example of how much you're going to pay on the ship for something versus on land is, for example, the NyQuil here. This bottle is $18. And then they have lots of little snacks, which are going to cost you a little more as well versus just bringing them on. And then the alcohol and cigarettes, which are duty free. So there you go. That's what you will find in just the regular old fun shop on the Carnival Magic. The cherry on top where you can order cakes, flowers, champagne, and anything for special occasions, as well as purchasing all kinds of things. Pretty busy. It's the last day. Everyone's getting their goodies. You can also purchase cakes.
Get a birthday cake. I'm gonna be like charmed to make it.
There is the usual 2 for $20 t-shirt sale going on over there.